this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I have this DeLonghi Magnifica here. So this machine just came in for a standard tune-up. So I replaced the brew unit. Here's that old one. You can see some of that coffee residue there. And then I replaced the gasket that's on the brew piston. Here's that old one. So I replaced it with a new lubricated gasket. Then I deep cleaned the milk wand here by just disassembling it and cleaning it with milk cleaner. I also removed this whole spout and cleaned it thoroughly inside. I noticed there were some cracks up here where these screws sit, so I just kind of put them back together with some epoxy. And that's about it for this repair. I descaled the machine also and cleaned the coffee system with some cleaning tablets. So I'm just going to brew a shot just to show you that everything is working now. There we go. Also show you the steam. It'll take a second. That's about it for this video. Alright, thanks for watching.